Hi everyone, today I'm wearing a vest. This is long vest made with Merino number 5. So we have a shorter version of it. Now we have a longer version. So I'm always cold. I like to wear something like long, and this is made with our Merino number 5. Merino number 5 is 100% merino wool. It is very soft and also very chunky. So this is, you have three different colors. This is Colorwork. So base color and the flower and some patterns goes around it. And this is long enough to cover. So people like me who is always cold and want to wear something over sweater, shirts, and you can even wear a coat over it. This is perfect for who is always cold. So this is called flower vest, and this is longer version. Compared to shorter version, let me show you. So this is a shorter version of it. This is more casual, I guess. And it's shorter. And this is longer. I like both. And this is so soft. And I think it's perfect for this fall and winter. Very cozy. I hope you like it.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe.